We're back. Hey guys, it's Lily. And it's your girl Ava right here, right now.
You explain what we're doing?
Okay, so we're going to the Pleasure Pier, which is like this fair I talked about in the last video. They just have lots of rides and food, Ferris wheels, those things. Roller coasters. So I don't think we're not allowed to take our phones, right? On the roller coasters.
Obviously not.
No, but some places.
Unless you want to be dumb. Well, you're not supposed to take it on any ride anywhere, ever. But people do it all the time.
I'm not going to because it's too scary. So.
I'll do it on like the little boat thing then.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. But so we're probably not gonna get as much, but we will try to do like
we'll take videos of it and all the rides.
And we're gonna do stuff like at the fair, but we can't video like the rides. But yeah, we'll see y'all there. So yeah, bye.
How this girl gets so fly.
Are you excited, Faith? Are you excited? So short compared to everyone. We're so short.
Like, people would always like comment on my height. Like, I already know.
Yeah.
This will go all the way up the ramp and take a left.
This is too much walking.
Is that the one that's way up in the air?
Y'all want to do the little frog one?
It's just so fun.
Come on, we're doing it. Okay. Faith, do this with us. Let's go on that one. So yeah, I'm excited. Oh my gosh, they're so close. Literally just almost flew on me.
Listen to that.
What I got. That's what Ava got. That's what Faith you got. That's what Landon got.
Does Landon like veggies like that?
About to enjoy. Came back. Yeah. Sam.
Oh, baby,
Aliens.
to guess our age, our birth month. Yeah, and he guessed my birth month was December, but it's actually April. And he guessed her age right, but he still gave her it. Yeah, he was kind of perverted, but you know, it's okay because we got.
So pretty.
Going on to the Ferris wheel. It's so pretty.
Yo, let me give y'all story time.
Story time by Faith.
Okay. So, oh, I look dusty. Anyways, so I was sitting. So I was sitting, right? So I was sitting, right? And then this girl walked by and she looked me right in the face and then she coughed in my face.
What?
Bro, like,
You should beat her up, honestly.
It was like a 7-year-old. Okay, I'm done.
We're getting closer.
So pretty.
Yeah.
It really is though. Like, Ava. Ava, look. This reminds me of like scary movies. I don't know. It's pretty though. Yeah, Death Note. You know the end when she like falls in a pile of flowers. Yeah.
This is pretty scary. I don't like to sit.
No, earlier it was scary because like I could see it.
Bruh, look at them down there with our aliens. Getting soft.
Okay, so can someone take my money? Don't ever do that again.
I was gonna do something else and I didn't know what to do. And then I just
Y'all, this shows how windy it is. I look like a whole crackhead. So crackhead!
Going on the list.
Oh, I think they like me. Clean pair of sneaks with ADs on her belt. Please watch your step, cause I'm feeling myself. Throw a flag on the plate, man, somebody get the ref. Blah, 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 blah. Man, somebody get some help. Pull up on the block. Hit the quad.
This girl, you're so fly.